On a Linux system, there are a few log files that keep track of the system activities. This can be useful for troubleshooting and for looking for possible security issues. The first log I want to show you is the system log, where the kernel and almost everything else write information about events, errors, and notifications. That log stored at /var/log/syslog. Let's take a look at it with cat command. There's a lot of information here, so let's take a look and see what we can find. Most recently in the log, I can see that the firewall blocked a lot of activity. That was from the nmap scan. In the previous lecture, I can see some information about when I restarted the OpenSSH server, and scrolling up even further, I can see some of the messages that were displayed very quickly on the screen during the boot up. You can also write events into the log yourself with the logger command. This can be helpful for making notes as you troubleshooting something, and it can be used in your own scripts if you need to record some status information. Let's write something here. I will log hello there to my log, and then I will take a look at the syslog again, and here my message. There's also auth.log, which shows authentication events on the system like SSH logins and attempt. I will take a look at that here on my system. It is not much interesting here because this system is on pretty protected network, but if you are using a cloud server, you may already have login attempt from sneaky internet bots in here or hiker. This log also shows when user use sudo to raise their privilege level and shows that what command they run. I encourage you to explore the logs in the var/log directory, read them with cat or ls and see what's there. You will find dpackage.log, which is package manager activity.ufw.log, which is where UFW logs things the firewall does and as you install more services. You will see more logs that are relevant to them as your system runs. The log will start to get longer. The service in charge of the logs, a program called rsyslog, will chop the log file, start a new one, and archive the old one. It does this by making .gz or gzip file numbered in reverse order. The higher the number, the older the log. This is very important. The number is higher, log is older. Instead of having to unzip these and then look at them, we can look at them directly with the zcat command. There are some other useful tools that read the logs and give you some information. One of these is last log, which shows you the last time each user on the system logged in, and there's also who, which shows you which user are currently connected to your Linux Ubuntu server, and uptime command shows how long your system has been running since the last reboot. Knowing where the logs are located and what kind of information they contain is critical troubleshooting and securing your server. So next lecture we will learn how to monitor the server. Be with me. See you in next lecture.